Today, I'm coloring Skye from Paw Patrol, and I just have to tell you why she's one of my favorite pups ever. Skye isn't just adorable, she's also super cool. I mean, who else can fly a helicopter, pull off flips, and still look that cute? Skye is amazing, and I'll tell you all about her. First of all, have you seen her tiny little aviator goggles? They're pink, they're shiny, and they make her look like the coolest rescue pup in Adventure Bay. And her helicopter, it's pink too. It even has wings that turn into jet engines, so she can zoom all over the sky. If I had a helicopter like that, I'd probably just fly to school every day. Or to the park for snacks. Snacks first, always. One of the reasons I think Skye is so awesome is because she's always ready to take on a mission. In the episode, Pups Save a Plane, she saves a real airplane. There's a huge storm, and the plane is in trouble, but Skye flies through all the wind and rain to guide it to safety. She's so brave, she never gives up, even when things get tricky. I don't know about you, but if I was stuck in a storm, I'd want Skye to come and save me. But Skye isn't just brave, she's also super smart. In Pups Save Jake's Cake, Skye helps the team figure out how to save a giant cake that's rolling down a hill. It's hilarious. She uses her helicopter to grab the cake and save it before it splats everywhere. Can you imagine? A flying dog saving a cake? That's Skye for you, she's always got a plan. Oh, and let's not forget how kind she is. In the episode, Pups Save a Snowboard Competition, Skye helps her friends when they're nervous about racing. She cheers them on and makes them feel brave enough to try. She's such a good friend. That's why I love her, she's always thinking about others and making sure everyone feels included. Also, let's talk about how cute she is. When she does her little twirls or barks, this pup's gotta fly. I can't help but smile. And her fur is so soft looking, she reminds me of my favorite stuffed animal. If Skye was real, I'd probably hug her all day long. Well, unless she had to go save Adventure Bay again. That's kind of her thing, you know? So, yeah, Skye is the best. She's brave, smart, kind, and totally adorable. I love coloring her because it makes me feel like I'm part of her team. Thanks for letting me tell you why Skye is my favorite. And remember, the next time you see a helicopter flying by, it might just be Skye, off on another amazing adventure.